Hello again, this is Shourav Sir's classes, and this is a continuation of the previous videos on linear equations. This is an advanced sum, so we will be solving in an advanced way. The sum states a minus bx plus a plus by equals to a square minus 2ab minus b squared. What we will do now is on cross multiplying, we get x by a plus b, a squared minus b squared minus a plus b, a squared minus 2ab minus b squared. This will be a plus here, and we get equal to y by a plus b, a squared minus 2ab minus b squared minus a squared plus b squared to a minus b, which is equal to again 1 by a plus b, there is a minus here, into a minus b minus a plus b into a plus b again. This will tend to x by a plus b, a squared plus b squared minus a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is equal to y by, be ready for a big denominator. The trick to solving these problems is just plain simple concentration. If you concentrate, you won't miss out any terms, and if you don't, you have a high risk that your entire sum will go wrong. So the denominator is a cube minus 2a squared b minus ab squared plus ba squared minus 2ab squared minus b cube minus a cube minus ab squared plus ba squared plus b cube. Let's just put this under brackets to make sure this is in the denominator, and this is equal to minus 1 by, let's just drag this up, and that is a plus b into a minus b minus a plus b into a plus b. Essentially a plus b whole square, but let's just write it this way. Now that implies x by, drag it up. Now that implies x by a plus b into a squared plus b squared minus b squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is equal to y by that huge term again, which is a cube minus 2a squared b minus ab squared plus ba squared minus 2ab squared minus b cube minus a cube minus, hang on, let's just, I've run out of space here I think, so I'll have to cancel this and put in a new page. Let's just put in a new page and write the entire expression again. So that will be y by, let's put a bracket, a cube minus 2a squared b minus ab squared plus ba squared minus 2ab squared minus b cube minus a cube minus ab squared minus a squared b plus b cube in the bracket, and this is equal to 1 by a squared minus b squared minus a squared minus b squared again and minus 2ab. This is now implied by x by a plus b into 2b to a plus b. Here we are shortening or simplifying these terms. Remember, when you simplify, the trick is concentration. That's all you need to do these sums. And minus 4ab square under y, it is equal to 1 by minus 2ab squared minus 2ab, which implies x by 2b into a plus b whole squared equals y by minus 4ab squared equals 1 by 2b into a plus b. So accordingly, you can solve this problem by cancelling out these 2's and doing a little manipulation. You will get x equals a plus b and y equals minus 2ab by a plus b, a plus b, and this is your required solution. The trick is to keep your patient, just keep cool and just keep solving and simplifying these terms. Essentially, it may not look very good in the middle, but when you get to the answer, the satisfaction level is brilliant. It's just another feeling in the world. So let's move on to the next sum. The next sum is a little easier than this one. Let's just solve the next one. The system of equations 2x plus 3y equals to z and 6x plus 5y equals to 11 has a no solution, unique solution, infinite number of solutions. Now none of these. These are your options. So we are to evaluate the number of solutions for these equations right here. So what do? We have a1. Let us suppose that the equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. These are the general forms. So basically, once you compare the two equations, you will have a1 equals 2, a2 equals 6, b1 equals 3, b2 equals 5 and c1 equals minus 7 because we are taking this here, and c2 is equals to minus 11. So we have a1 by a2 is not equal to, we can simply state this by observation, that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is the necessary condition. I repeat, this is the necessary condition for a unique solution. A unique solution. This is all you need. Just test this out and your work is done.